Hi guys, I'm Nancy from Fusion Dance and Fitness Studio, and here we are collaborating with SETU. We're really thankful to Amit sir for that. So we are organizing a workshop at Sindhi Park on 17th of April, 7 a.m. Warmed up, guys? Feeling warmed up? Let's go. We're going to start with more intensity. We're going to start with jumping jacks. Only 23 sets. Ready? Let's go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 500 calories burn karni aaj. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Breathe. Okay, guys. Let's go. Watch your next. So I'm gonna kick my legs up and I'm gonna go down for the squats. Watch it. In case आप अपना leg सीधा नहीं भी कर पाए, that's absolutely fine. Just go up, up, and down. Got it, guys? Kick and down. Ready? 5. Only 10. 5, 6, 7. Go. Right, left, squat. Let's go. Right, left, squat. Come on, third one. Right, left, squat. Very good. Take a deep squat. 4, up. Squat. Come on. Right, left, squat. Quickly. 6, up and squat. Come on. 7, left and squat. Come on. 8, left and squat. Come on. 9, up and squat. One last. 10, up and squat. Okay. Just to guys give you a bit of more entertainment here. Quickly partner up. Come on. Find the people you like. Come on. Go for it. Partner up quickly. Okay, girl, boy, go for it. Girls have a lot of giggles together. Quickly, girl, boy, quickly. Come on, fine, apne aas-paas, guys, quickly. Akshya. Quickly, guys, sabke partners ho gaya. Shubhi Teja is free. Guys, please partner up. Don't behave like kindergarten kids. Quickly. Okay, हमारे socks वॉक्स dirty होने वाले हैं अभी. I'll step out. Okay, it's okay. ठीक है? Okay, let's watch me. Push up position में mirror me. Watch us, guys. So we are going to be in this position. Mirror me. And we're just gonna go 30 of them. Ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No push up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold there. Stay there. 1, 30 seconds. 2, bump down. 3, stay there. Down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, good job, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax, breathe there only. How are you feeling, guys? I guess सब अभी तो कोई थका नहीं है यार. I guess मुझे थोड़ा intensity बढ़ाना चाहिए, right? सब क्योंकि बहुत ही ऐसे लग रहा है कि
बस कल उठ पाए ऐसा कर लेना.
cup of tea type लग रहा है. Okay, ready? Let's go. Moving on for twisting now. Twist your lower body, guys. Okay, ready? Let's go. 5, 30 seconds. Opposite, yeah. 1. Come here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now without taking much break, keep your bum in line with your head and heel, and moving on for mountain climbers. Ready, guys? Let's go. 30 seconds. 5, on the floor. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run with your legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up, get up, get up, get up quickly. Come on. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Keep your hands here. Make sure you're touching your opposite elbow to your opposite knee 30 times. Ready? Start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on guys. 11, 12. Go opposite, opposite. 13, 14. Opposite. 15, 16. Yeah. 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, lie down on your back, facing me. Just follow us. One person will be lying down like this. Other person will step on the toe here. Okay? And that person will come up and touch my hands. Come on, Akshay. Yes. Okay, now breathe. Like that, only 20 guys. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Vedant, you can help somebody if somebody doesn't have a partner. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7. Come on, try. 8. Yeah, that's it. 9. It's happening. 10. Perfect. Pura niche jao. 11. Till your scapula. 12. 13. 14. 15. Daanto mat. 16. Nahi. 17. 18. 19. One last. 20 and relax. Switch. I'm not doing it and relax. Switch. Quickly, Surana and Komal, quickly. Jaldi, jaldi. Good job. Nice, Apeksha. Nice, Dushyant. Ready? Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Why you a partner with? Who's doing? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1. Come on. 2, 3. Very good. 4. Nice. 5, 6. Pura niche mat jao. 7 half पे बस इतना. 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on. 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. 16, 17, 18, 19. One last 20. Okay, let's go. Now we'll do a little bit mild stretching. Ready? Let's go, everybody, on your chest. We'll just relax. On your chest, everybody. You want this mat or that? On your chest, relax. Just follow Akshay. Come on. On your chest. All those who are confused between back and chest. Chest. And she's not still getting it. She's laughing. Okay, why is she telling me? Okay, relax, everybody. Relax there for a while. We're just finishing it by just doing mild stretching, cool down, and then we have a tug of war competition, not boys versus girls, but I'll just divide the team. Okay, the best 2 I'll divide in other teams. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, keep following. Hands under your shoulder blades. Exactly under shoulder blades. Into the Cobra Stretch and up. Look up to the sky, guys. मैं हमेशा क्लास में बोलती हूँ, but ceiling होती है. Look into the sky now. Shoulders Ajmal नीचे ऐसे socket में. Yes. Breathe, guys. Breathe. Every day we don't get to do something like this, right? So cherish it. बड़ा फीका ऐ था. Ready? Into the mountain. Make sure your heels are pressing towards the ground. Your knees are absolutely straight. And your head is pressing towards your knees. Ajmal, get your leg in. अंदर लाओ leg और अंदर लाओ. Bum को ऊपर लेके जाओ. Leg अंदर लाओ. Keep more in. Get your heels pressing down. Yes. And get your head down. Press your this thing here like that. Come on, stay there. Apeksha, knee straight. Knee down, bum back, child pose. Stretch your spine forward. Okay, let's go. On your chest again, lie down. Hold your ankles, inverted D position. And pull your body up. Let's go. काफी लोग अपने पैर नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे, but try. 1, 2, 3. Take it up. 4, 5. I'll help you. 6. Good. 7. Shubhi, come on. 8. Shubhi, सारा vitamin D मिल रहा है. इधर आ जाती. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. अब हम लोग किस किस को सुपरमैन पसंद है गाइस? मार्वल सुपरमैन किस किस को पसंद है? So we are going to become one. Show the Superman position, Raksha. Exactly. We are going to do like that. We are going to fly. Come on. Go. Stay. 1. 30 seconds. 2. Pointed toes, knees absolutely straight. 3. If you want to fly, you are going to pointed toes. Point your toes, sir. Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. Point your toes, Ajmal. 11. Point toes, toes, toes. Yeah. Sir, Sunil, knee straight करो यार. हाँ. मस्त है यार. कुछ कर. Last 10 seconds. 10. Come on, sir. 9, 8, 7. What's your good name? 6, 5, 4. Good. You're doing good. 3.
Hello students, thanks for watching this video, and I'm really thankful to Nancy Sahu and the Nancy team for this wonderful workshop, and we got wonderful response from the student side, so that's why we plan for more of this type of workshop in future. So here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.